Hello everyone. Today we are gonna see how we can do a wall sculpture like this in Fusion 360. After opening Fusion 360, select any plane and draw a hexagon. The dimension is up to you, but in my case I am using 30 mm. Now extrude the hexagon, then again select its top surface and draw a circle of 50 mm. Now we have to create and transfer a plane with a height of 80 mm. Now select the transferred plane and draw a circle of 5 mm and make sure that it's further away from the first circle. Now select the front plane and draw a spline like this. The dimension is up to you and the shape is up to you. Now use the command called loft and select all these three sketches and you will have a pretty shape like this. Now do a fillet wherever you want. And at last do a shell option at the bottom of the 3D model. Now you can pattern this, you can do everything you want, and that's it. This is how we do a wall sculpture.